What's up, y'all? Welcome or welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, hey girl, hey boy, hey. Today's hair review is in sponsorship with OMGHerHair. This is a beautiful straight Yaki wig that was sent to me literally this week. Came out of the box looking ready to install. This wig was bleached, it was pre-plucked, beautiful middle part, very natural. I didn't have to do any baby hairs, and I want y'all to like get into the detail of this wig. Let me not keep you here for too long. Without further ado, let's get into this hair review. So a big thank you to OMGHerHair for sponsoring this video and sending me this beautiful lace front wig. This hair is a Yaki straight wig, and I want to show you guys how beautifully pre-plucked. Super beginner friendly. Like, look at this part against my skin tone. The lace seems to be pre-bleached as well. Look at this middle part. Do you see this? This looks like scalp already on my hand. So not a lot of work will be needed with this wig. Not a lot of hassle. I'm very excited about that. The texture, like I said, it's a Yaki straight. Yeah, very beautiful. This is a 360 lace front wig. So you can put this up in a ponytail. Just look how natural it's already looking. It's almost like it came prepared for you to slay, okay? So just what we're about to do with it. I was kind of feeling a side part, but I think I'm gonna go for a middle part, very natural, minimal baby hairs. Like, look how deep this part looks. That is amazing. That looks like my hair. So now you already know the deal. I'm gonna go in with my 𝐂𝐨𝐝𝐸 spray. I am so impressed with this wig. So impressed. Okay, so sometimes I like to just spray a little bit of 𝐂𝐸𝐸 like from a distance on top of the hair. And then I go in with my hot comb to lay it flat. And that just helps it stay in place. Like, I feel like the 𝐂𝐸𝐸 just really holds in that hair down, especially if you got some flyaways. This is actually from OMGHerHair as well. So all you do is like use that to tame your little flyaways up at the top, and then after that you just go in, you know what I'm saying, with your hot comb. A hot comb is a must for like a wig application. I feel like you need you a hot comb, sis. So I'm gonna apply a little bit of my concealer to the part, very light. Like I said, it doesn't even need it much. The reason why I'm doing that is because you can kind of see the separation between my the wig cap and the front of the wig. It just looks a little patchy. And so all you gotta do, girl, is go touch up that hairline. That's literally it. You know, first, okay, hold on. I need to make sure it is a straight line first, because I feel like this line is not really straight. I love that their hairline is the perfect width. It just looks so natural. Like, you ever get a wig and their hairline looks so freaking small that you have to pluck the hairline and add in all this concealer, and then sometimes it still doesn't look as natural. They did their thing on this wig. Like, and y'all don't forget that literally all the details of this wig will be in the description box down below for y'all, including the direct link, including a coupon code. So if you're gonna buy this wig, make sure you use my coupon code. The only thing I'm gonna do now is flat iron the actual hair. Now this is the length of the hair. Okay, So it's giving maybe, it's probably 16 or 18 inches. The ends are a little bit thinner, on the thinner side. I'm in love with this hair. It's giving me relaxed or like a fresh blowout. You know what I'm saying? Fresh blowout vibes. This is what's giving. It's a beautiful yaki textured hair. I love the texture of it. It's not super sleek straight. One of the best yaki wigs that I've tried. And the reason why this hair passes the test for me is because of how simple it was for me to install it. You obviously saw how this wig came in, out of the box, prepared, pre-plucked, bleached, baby hairs, a beautiful deep part. You're trying to save time and you still want to look cute. This is the wig for you. I absolutely recommend it. Like, I love it. I love it. I love it. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think about this wig. I personally am in love. If you want to know any details about this hair, like I said, make sure you check the description box down below. Don't forget to use my coupon code to save you some coins. And as always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Mwah.